Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hi guys, my name is Jasmine, and on this video I want to talk about an unboxing that I'm doing, and also at the end of the video what I'm going to do is add an update at least a month or so. I'll let you know closer to the end of the video, but this is an unboxing, and I first purchased, or actually I ordered the David Austin rose. That was the first one, and it was an anniversary present. So that was back in October of 2022. I ordered a David Austin rose. It was going to be a climbing rose, and also I got an arbor, so we set up the arbor, but I didn't get the rose until February of 2023. So on this video I'm going to show you when I planted and how it looked like. It was a bare root. It was my first time getting a rose, especially a bare root rose, and from David Austin, and I just thought it was such a pretty rose. And I got the arbor, so I had to wait so many months to actually plant it. So I'm going to show you how it looked like. But once I saw it, and I love the packaging and how easy it was to actually plant that rose or the bare root. So I ended up ordering 3 more roses. I ordered that in February, and I think 3 weeks later I got the order. So I was lucky that I didn't have to wait that long. So I'm also going to include those other 3 roses. I'm going to mention in this video the roses that I received or that I ordered. So yeah, it's all climbing roses. This is a privacy wall we created over a year and a half ago. Actually, it was kind of close to when we moved here, and I want to have a rose climbing here, so that's going to be the first one. We also did arbor around our vegetable garden entrance, so we're going to have another climbing rose there. And the other one is not so much, it is a climber, but I don't think it's that high. It's best to be put in a trellis or obelisk, so we're going to put that in the front of the house. And yeah guys, that's 4 roses total. So I was too excited to do the opening, the unboxing, that I didn't record every step, but I'm gonna take you exactly where we planted every single one of them, and you're gonna be seeing when we did this video. It's been close to a month already, or just a few weeks, and that's the first one right there. This is the tallest one. Before I show you all of the roses, I want to show you when I first got them. The first one that I ordered was James Galway. This is the one that I ordered back in October. What I like about this rose is that it's such a light pink in the center, but then it becomes a lot lighter in the edges. I also like that it has 130 petals, so I'm so excited to get an English style rose. It's a light medium old rose fragrance. And I do like that it's a climber. So this is the first one. This is day 1. This is when I first got it, and right away I just couldn't wait, and I did my second order. My second order was on February 23rd, and I got it pretty quickly. But on this order I placed 3 different roses. They're all climbers, and they're all gonna have like that soft pink and like an apricot white tone, or off-white. Since the roses are a few weeks apart, I am going to show you how they look like when I made this video. But here is when I first got all 3, and I just love how different they are. I did notice one of them had a lot more thorns versus the other one, or at least when I got the James Galway. It does say to water them, so what I did was I added all 3 in water, and I let it sit in water for 2 hours. Here's the Wollerton Old Hall, how pretty it is. I also ordered clear Austin, and this is where I'm getting the soft off beige and small apricot color. But I also wanted another pink rose, and I had to go, of course, with Gertrude Jekyll. It is a pink tone, but I just love that they're all going to give me like a different type of fragrance on these 4 roses. So yeah, I let them sit for 2 hours, and then I'm going to show you the locations that I planted them. So yeah, this is a work in progress. We started this a few months now, and we just added these raised beds last month, adding mulch now, created the arbor, and this is where we planted the second climbing rose. This was planted the same time. This was the 3rd roses that we got. on that order that we placed it, placed 3. As you see, it doesn't have that many thorns, and it's not as tall as high as the other one. We did the same thing. We planted them all at the same time. We let them set in water for about 2 hours. When we planted them, when we dig the hole, we added some bone meal. So I'm going to be putting the flower that it is and the name right next to this side of the video. So here is the tallest so far. We planted them. I'm going to be putting the date as well for the last 3, and the other one was the James Galway. This one is called, I know it starts with a W, and the interesting thing is the one that has the most thorn. But guys, look how tall this plant is already, this rose. And I think we're going to start seeing it climbing already. I am so excited. So yeah, this is the first one. We did put emitters, and every single one of the roses that we planted, we added some bone meal. So here is the third one, the third rose that we purchased all together. This is, I believe, the Claire Austin. So this is the one that we're going to put on the obelisk, but so we're just going to put like a trellis and let it climb up. It does have some thorns to plant at the same time. Like I said, we added just a bone meal, and look how high it is already, you guys. And I'm going to be letting you know how long it has been since we planted that. Sorry guys for the mess, but it's work in progress. So while we are finishing and making this area look so much better, in the meantime, might as well just put the rose there so it could have time to grow, and hopefully we get to see blooms the first year. I'm not sure if I will, but I am excited that we finally got it. We planted that, we created these planters, and I think it looks so cute already together. So I hope you appreciate our first unboxing and also our update. I'm gonna put that in the end of this video. I'm gonna wait to edit the video so you guys get to see how they look like, maybe a little bit further on, and see how much they have grown. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. If you have any of these, any tips you guys have on growing these roses, let me know. And until the next video, guys, bye. So today is finally the day to give you guys an update. I'm going to start with the first rose I planted. This is the James Galway. They don't have the tags. I'm debating if I should put the tags. This was the first one that I planted. Guys, look at it. I feel like it has taken a little bit to grow compared to the other roses, but we could finally see some buds. I am so excited. I am so excited, you guys. I like how it's coming together. I don't know what I'm gonna do in this section here. This is the walkway. This is where we park our cars. So yeah, I'm still trying to think what we're gonna do here, but in the meantime, I'm just happy to have that rose. So now let's go ahead and start with the other 3. Guys, this is the last rose that I planted, and I am truly impressed with this one because it was the first one that started showing buds. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but look how many buds are already on the top. It's not the highest or the tallest, it's pretty tall, but look at that. So this one is Claire Austin. So this is the best angle to show you because this tree is so tall and so big. This is a crepe myrtle, and the colors gives me the vibe of like a cherry blossom, and that's why I did not want to pair a white or light color rose by the privacy wall. So that's the reason why I chose this rose. This is a nice pink. I'm going to show you the picture of the color. This one is Gertrude Jekyll. I was impressed with this rose because it was the one that grew the tallest, the quickest, and you can start seeing some branches. We just tie them closer to the privacy wall. We try to spread them out. I don't want it to be too spread out because this section of the privacy wall does not get much sun. So that's why I just want to keep it this way and make sure that it starts going up. Another thing that I liked was this was the second rose that started showing some buds. Look at that. So here is the raised bed entrance. Yes, it's not finished, but so far I love how it's coming together. And right in front of it, we decided to put another climbing rose. I'm gonna put the name on the bottom because I don't remember it too well. I do know that it's kind of like a soft white with apricot inside. And this is how it's doing. I don't see any buds yet, but I just can't wait to see this rose here in contrast with the color of the arbor. So besides this unboxing video, I also wanted to give you an update of how the roses look like. And as you can see, they grow very differently. The height is different, even the leaves look different. Also, some of them already have buds, some of them are much taller. So let me know you guys want to see another update, and I appreciate that you guys stayed up to this part watching this video, and until the next one, bye.